different in different portfolios in cybersecurity or in any other like line. If you want to go, I'll guide you through it. Like what are the steps, how you should proceed while you give your cybersecurity interview. What are the key things that you should keep in your mind? Okay, everything I will make you understand. So I'll also
Sir,
share
this
you
wheel,
these. Yeah.
sir, this wheel will be there in government also.
Wheel. Yeah. It is there in government, dude. Okay. Like you SBI bank, okay, SBI, and every sector of government, there is a cybersecurity department. Understood? And the basic pay of the cybersecurity is 40 to 50, 40, 50, 60K you will get easily in that department. All they require is every year they will release a form from SBI or different sectors. You can go to army, in military fields, in different sectors. Government will release cybersecurity forms of opening for freshers and analysts. You have to fill the form. If you have the right skill, they will select your CV. They will call you for an interview. If you qualify the interview, you can get easily land a government job also. Okay. If you don't get a government job, if you're trying for this MNCs like TCS, big giants like Infosys, Accenture, you can also learn the basic steps, key steps to this, and you can easily apply there. You have a edge. Okay, I would say you have a very good chance because people don't know about cybersecurity. If out of 10 people, one people knows what is cybersecurity, he can really outshine others. You can be the smartest guy in the room. I guess I can. This is how I can portray it. Okay, like big companies, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, you can directly give your interviews them. You can have it once you enter the cybersecurity, you will take experience in some companies, then you can directly jump into those companies. Understood? So you will have a different path level. Earlier, what you used to think is after doing a BTech and everything, you will just land into a IT job, you will do coding and everything. Okay, here you don't have to do anything. You just have to analyze logs. You just need to be smart. You just have to know what you have to do next. It is very easy. It is very simple, but you have to be smart. How you can think about the next step after this? What should have happened? For example, if any attacker has attacked your system, okay, and you found your system is running slow, or there is some file that you are not able to open, then what can you do? What are the steps that you need to take so that you can save your data? There is no data loss. You don't have to pay that attacker money to retrieve your data. Understood? And how you can improve your analysis, how you can do forensics on it. And so these are the basic parts that we can move ahead. This I'll show you I'll introduce to MITRE ATT&CK framework. Understood? So this is a MITRE ATT&CK framework. All these companies, all these giants follow these attacks. Like for example, I will give you a small demo about this in 5 minutes now. Okay. For example, you're working in a very big firm. Okay, very big MNC, and your company and one of your friend is an attacker. He is trying to attack your company. Okay. For attacking first, what he have to do? He have to recon. First step is recon. He will do scanning in your entire network. He will try to identify which port is open, which port is closed. If he finds any port is open, he can directly penetrate into it. Okay. He can also use phishing mail. He will give you some mail. You have won some blockbuster. You have won lakhs of rupees. Okay. So you will click on that particular link. If you click on that link, your system is infected. Your bank accounts are leaked. In India now, okay, majority of people are suffering from this scams. You will get some mail, people will click on it, and boom. Right now, you might not have faced it, but once you are earning, okay, you have a certain bank account. If an attacker attacks you, then this will be a very major setback for you. All your hard-earned money will go away. Understood? So this is how the attacker penetrates. What it will do to carry out his attacks. Okay, how, like for it cannot show it is something bad agent or something. It will try to portray that it is very good agent, so your antivirus cannot scan it. You will also think, this is good, there's nothing harm in that, but there will be some script that is running in the background. It will try to change your access, okay, what you have to do, what you don't have to do. These are the steps that the attacker takes into account, and these are the steps that you will take into account. What you will do to detect what the attacker is doing, okay, what you will do when you found the attack and you are isolating your system, what you will do so that in the coming years or in the next part, no one can attack your system, okay, your system is like safe, so that attacker will go and attack someone else, your friend or someone, but it cannot attack you because you are foolproof. Cybersecurity is very important, not only because you are working in any firm or a company, but while you are working on your own, like each and every person of our country is vulnerable to cyber attacks. You can get any pen drive lying, you can get any phishing mail, okay, you can get phone call ki bhai OTP de de, ho gaya, okay. So if you get basic knowledge about cybersecurity, you can save a lot of people. You can save your parents from getting scammed from this attack, okay. And I will train you how you can upskill your skills, okay. Do not think this is a very big thing. I won't understand anything, okay, or you won't learn anything out of this. When I was reading in BTech, I did not know what cybersecurity is. I used to do coding and everything. I used to work in machine learning. But what happened is when I got placed, I started, my company gave me a project in cybersecurity. It is not that you're working something, you will get the same thing. My company gave me a work in cybersecurity department. When I started working in cybersecurity department, there is so many problems that I had to face. I did not know anything about cybersecurity, okay. But I got an interest. When you see, this is so easy, but people don't know about it, don't know what are the basic things. You will gradually learn a lot. You will learn, then you will be expert in this field. Once you are doing good enough company, the company will promote you. It will give you good compensation. If you are willing to continue, you can continue, or else you can jump to a bigger package or bigger different company, okay. That is completely depending on you. So this is my overall experience, that what I have faced in my BTech. I had no idea about cybersecurity, but in very less time, I learned everything, like a particular section of cybersecurity, if different. And I will help you out, people, in complete session, how you can learn that I have learned in a time span of an year. I have learned in 1 year or 2 years. I will try to teach you in very easy way in 1 month, okay. I will give you basic tips, basic skills, so that you will enjoy what you are working in. I know most of you don't have any idea in cybersecurity, okay. You must not know anything about this before also. So this will be a new thing for you. You will learn something new. You can add something new in your CV, because when any interviewer sees that you know about cybersecurity, it will take them into a different level, because companies lack people with cybersecurity skills. If they see that you have taken some cybersecurity training and you know some concepts in cybersecurity, then that will be a very good push in your career. Understood? And for that, whatever you have learned in your college, in your school about networking, everything, I will give you the complete guidance on that also. I will give you basic notes, and I will give you entire lab also, okay. I will demonstrate few things. I will play some videos. I will do few things. Then you can learn from those things. If you have any issue, if you are stuck at a particular part, if you think how you can analyze your this traffic, any ransomware attack happened, any DDoS attack happened, or what is this attack, that attack, what is ethical hacking, how you can start your career in ethical hacking, how you can start your career as a SOC defender. Companies pays a lot to the people who can defend themselves, defend the company from attacks. Company also pay people who can do attacks, because you have to learn attack, that so that you can do There are different. There are white hat attackers, gray hat attackers, and black hat attackers. Okay, so like there are the people who are working with government. If they do any sort of activity, then that is categorized in the white section. Gray part, which people who are doing something bad, malicious, but with a good intention, they are termed into gray. And the black attacker part is like the people in different parts of the country who will attack firms, who will attack personal information of any person. Okay, they will attack people to scams. They will encrypt the data. They will take all the details of your credit card, debit card. They will take all your money. Okay, they are termed to black. How you can learn your career into this, how you can defend yourself, how to move ahead, this is what I will teach you. Okay, so this will also look very good in your career wise and in your as well as in your CV. So I would suggest ki this is what I had to pitch, because I cannot elaborate each and everything. We will learn the baby steps of cybersecurity in our program. If you enroll in our program, then I'll teach you each and everything that you need to learn, and that will be very important for your interviews. And if you want to pursue your any government jobs or any private jobs, that will also help you a lot. I'll give you basic idea how you can do that, how you can apply, how to search. Okay, when you will get to know the government has initiated some openings in cybersecurity in SOC analyst. Okay, what is a SOC analyst? What is an attack? What is the job of a SOC analyst? What is a VAPT analyst? Okay, I will give you basic details about each and everything of this. So this is what, guys, like I had to present to you all. So I really apologize for the network issue that I was having. So if you all have any query regarding what I have said, any doubt regarding the course, you can just pitch and shoot it up so that I can help you out.
Sir, will you help us to pursue the job in the course, sir?
I will guide you in which jobs, how you can get jobs. Okay, what companies provide opportunities. Okay, while you are learning. Okay, Okay, I will give you different fields in which you can go in cybersecurity. You have to choose in which field you want to go. Then I will guide you in how you can apply in that field, what you have to do so that you can shine in that field, you can get job in that field. Okay,
Sir, so yes, sir. Then you can you suggest us which field is more better in future?
which field is more better in
In
future?
in cyber security, we have some different types of fields, no, sir.
Yeah.
Like,
All fields are very crucial, dude, because all these fields are very new. Okay, if you
yes,
are
sir.
in any field, okay, if you are in any field, you will always shine,
Yes,
because
sir.
there are less people. If you are knowledgeable in one field, okay, for example, if I know forensics now, I
Yes,
will
sir.
try to learn VAPT also, how to attack also, how to defend also. Once you grow, 1 year after another year, you will learn everything. Okay, it is just the matter which part you will start first. The second, once you start with it, then you learn everything gradually. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, so can I know which coding languages we have to learn to pursue in the cyber security?
No. You don't have to learn any coding language for that. Understood? There are
Yes, sir.
different fields. Yeah, like if you are doing hi-fi ethical hacking or any attack sort of thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in that you have to learn Linux or else Python. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
okay, or C programming or C++ programming. But major
Yes, sir.
part of cybersecurity, that there are multiple jobs, they don't use coding. They use
Yes, sir.
different tools. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there are big companies called McAfee, antivirus
Yes, sir.
companies. Okay,
Yes, sir.
they will
I
make
know.
products. They will make products. They will do all the coding part. You have to analyze it. You have to check. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to understand what is happening. You have to find out. You have to understand what is ransomware, how you can mitigate it. This is a
Yes,
different
sir.
part. You don't require really coding, I'll say.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, when I was searching this process in YouTube channel, I have seen that we have to learn some basics on Linux, and we have to learn Python coding language. That's why I'm little bit
No.
confused, sir.
I understood your point. Okay, like the video that you must have seen on YouTube. Okay, that was
Yes,
specific to a particular field. Understood?
yes,
There is no
yes,
issue
sir.
with that. Okay, like for example, when we when I passed from my BTech. Okay, I used to do coding only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Python, Java, everything. When I moved to cybersecurity, there is no coding here. You just have
Yes, sir.
to use tools. You just have to be smart how you pitch in to client. If you find anything, you should know how to talk. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then when you become when you grow, when you become more experienced, when you are dealing with more
Yes, sir.
problems, more challenges, then you have to know basics of it. Like for example, you should, when you will see a code, you should know what it is. For example,
Yes, sir.
dash dash help, you should know what it is. Dash dash mkdir, what it is. You should know that.
Okay. Yes,
That
sir.
you can do. You can sit for one day, you can watch a YouTube video, you'll know that basic things. But to
Yes, sir.
land a job in cybersecurity, and one more person has written here, um, if anyone, okay, sir, you have certification. Don't call me sir, okay, just call me Ashutosh. Is certification necessary for pursuing any job? Okay, yes. In cybersecurity field, okay, you require certifications, but not now. You, for entering a job, you should have basic understanding of cybersecurity. Okay, once you have basic understanding, you can land any job anywhere. Okay. But while doing this and while doing understanding this, someone has written here CH and OSCP. These things are used by attackers when you are doing that. Okay, what can everyone mute their mics, please? Okay. Okay, so the CH and OSCP are used by people who are into attacking field, who are into ethical hacking. Okay, but the people, okay, I have also done CEH, but I'm not using it in my field. But the concepts of CEH are helpful for me when I'm doing some hunting. There is an attack. I'm checking the logs. I'm doing my analysis and everything. I know the basic concepts of it. That will help me out to understand that part. Understood. So the field you pursue in, for example, this Nikhil and Mokshik has clearly mentioned here that in the field that you choose in cybersecurity, there is a different certification of that. If you choose forensics, you have a forensics based certification. If you choose SOC, you have a SOC based certification. If you choose cloud based security, which is very demanding now, very demanding, we have one person out of 100 people, only one person knows cloud security. There is lots of jobs for that. Okay, so there is different certification for ethical hacking part, pen testing, you have a different certification. Okay, if you want to go to pen testing, you choose OSCP, or you can choose, you have to do both. Understood? Like, because you cannot do OSCP without having the knowledge of CEH. Do not consider CEH as a certification. Okay, CEH has a very good material. The course of CEH is very rich. Once you know everything in CEH book or CEH concepts, it will be very easy for you to complete the OSCP part. It is a step-by-step process. Understood? So I'm BTech finally. I don't know how to start entering. Okay, Ray, if you don't know how to enter the cybersecurity world, we are here for you. We will teach you the basic steps, what you have to do first. What I will ask you a few things. If you want to protect or if you want to attack, okay, you just have to answer this thing. Attack, there are opportunities for attack. Protect, there are lots of opportunities to protect. And there are also opportunities of cybersecurity audit. You know about auditing, like in which they will see if the policies has been implemented or not. These policies has been implemented or not. You will do that. There are different roles. I will guide you through it. If there is an eligibility for jobs, no, there is. Okay, you are an intermediate in cybersec. Mokshik. Hello, hello, Mokshik.
Hello, sir.
What have you done in cybersecurity?
Sir, I am in bug bounty hunting.
Okay, that's really good, man. Then, okay, you are in which year now?
Sir, I am now 13 years.
No, okay, okay, you're in 13 years only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is really nice, man. Like I would say that you have very bright future ahead. Bug bounty people are very nice. Like that is also a part to identify vulnerabilities in different sites, right? So you have lots of opportunities there. So you just need to keep doing what you're doing if you want to be a bug bounty, like everyone here, like Mokshik knows which field he is applying in cybersecurity. He is into bug bounty. Okay, so I will guide him in that field. I will tell you all the different fields. If you choose any field, I'll guide you in that field. Okay, Mokshik, for
Okay,
now,
sir.
whatever you're doing, you do that best. I will also give you idea about different fields of cybersecurity that will
Okay,
add
sir.
up to your knowledge base. So after that, you can decide what you want or what you not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If anyone after completion of course, will you help us in getting? Okay, I cannot do that, Lakshmi Kant Rao. I cannot help you get a job. I'll tell you how you will get a job. Then it's all on you, how you apply, how you impart your knowledge. Understood?
Sir, sir, can you provide your number whenever we are in need?
Okay.
Can we?
I cannot directly provide you my number. Like you have to directly contact the skill
I'll
vertex.
answer that, Ashutosh.
Yeah, yeah.
You can enroll in the program and you'll be in contact with Ashutosh throughout the program and he'll be guiding you throughout the program. You can go ahead. Yeah. You can continue, Ashutosh.
If anyone has any other query, please shoot it up.
Sir, after this session, how would I contact you, sir?
You cannot contact me, like as Kapil said, like you have to enroll to this course. I will give you basic idea about cybersecurity world, what you have to do to move ahead, and then we can discuss it through our meetings. And you can shoot me up mails. I'll give you my mail ID. You can write me up mails. Any query that you have, you can write it up to me.
Okay,
Okay,
Can we know
or you
the
can.
amount?
sir.
I'm sorry.
Sir, this is a paid
Sir,
course or free?
I guess Kapil, you should answer this question. Hello, Kapil.
Yeah, Ashutosh.
Someone is asking you something like regarding the contact details and everything.
Yeah, you can enroll in the program. Our executive will call you regarding the same and he'll be guiding you throughout the program and the curriculum that you're going to be taught in the next month. It's starting from 7th of July and Ashutosh will be your mentor. He'll be guiding you throughout the program. Yeah.
Okay, sir. There is a paid course or free?
Yeah, it's a paid course. It's a training and internship program in which you have to pay for the training part and the internship part is free.
How much pay, sir?
Our executive will be contacting you by tomorrow and he'll be guiding you throughout all our options. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
can you please give a basic idea regarding price?
Actually, I'm not the right person, Chaitanya. Just now, you can ask your queries to about cyber security to Ashutosh. He will be clearing all your doubts. And apart from this, about the program, we'll be getting in touch with you tomorrow, and we'll be explaining you all the stuffs. Don't worry about that.
There, sir, there will be an internship also.
Yeah, you can. There's a 1 month of training, and the other month is internship. Don't worry about the program. You can ask your questions to Ashutosh about cybersecurity. Anyone?
Does anyone have any other issue regarding cybersecurity or this course? You can just. If you have
Sir, what is the base means what is appropriate operating system for this hacking issue?
okay.
Means I want to learn hacking and I am using Parrot OS. So is it enough? I am learning hacking and I am using Parrot OS. So is it enough or I need to install Kali?
Okay, whatever you have, enough. And learn basic things from that. Understood? Even if you have to, even if you have your basic one or something, you can do basic ethical hacking part. Okay, ethical hacking. So you don't need to have an hi-fi tools and everything. If you want to leverage your, if you have Kali, what is the advantage of it? You don't have to write multiple queries or multiple steps. You just write one line. That thing will be and what
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
I'm really sorry, everyone. Like Rohit, you are asking something.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please repeat whatever you told? Because your voice was not coming clearly.
Rohit, you are asking something, right?
Um, Sir, I asked that which OS is better for hacking or learning hacking?
Okay. For learning hacking, I would suggest if you have Kali, that would be really good for you to learn that.
Sir, once
You
I
can
tried to
install.
install Kali, but it is not showing my Wi-Fi, that one, Wi-Fi chip in that list.
Where did you?
So
No, no, where did you install it? Where did you install it? In your
I
VM,
tried,
right?
I tried to install in my laptop,
Okay.
and I was doing it from bootable flash drive.
Okay. Okay, like for Kali, if you want it to get the Wi-Fi access, you have to write some scripts. Okay, you have to give some command so that it can directly connect to your Wi-Fi. You can just Google it out. You will get that line for that. Okay, or if you have a Windows system, what I would suggest is if you have a Windows system, you get a VM, uh, VMware or any like virtual box, and that, or then you install Kali over that, and you give him like Wi-Fi internet access. You can do it very easily, and like you can have a very good like in hand experience on that. Understood? Like there are multiple people over here, like don't worry, like this is just a part of cybersecurity. People are talking about um, doing ethical hacking. Okay, ethical hacking is just a part of cyber. There are different departments, like in which you have to protect it by using different tools, by using, if someone has done any attack by using ethical hacking, how will you stop it, how you can analyze the logs in your Windows system, where you will find that logs. Okay, and how will you analyze that logs? I will help you to understand that also. So don't worry, we can move very easily. We won't only focus on ethical hacking. We will focus on each and every small details of cybersecurity, so that it will help you out to strengthen your core. Once your core of cybersecurity is strengthened, once you know what is cybersecurity, then you can choose your field on your.
Okay, sir. Sir, presently I am doing from Parrot OS. Okay, so
Understood?
this is okay for now, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Sir, can we know the timings of the classes and how much the course duration will be there?
I'm not really the person to talk to Chaitanya, like Kapil and other answer. Like it will be 1 hour, 1.5 hour session every weekend, I guess.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, can we know the cost of this course?
Kapil, I'm not the correct person to ask me. Like I'm just the person who will teach. Okay.
Thank you. Sir, sir,
Yeah.
can I know which companies did you work? How many companies did you work on the cyber security?
I have worked on 2 companies. One of them is Big Four, and one of them was in Big Three. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if anyone don't have any other question, then we can wrap it up, right?
Sir, will you
Any more questions? Yeah, Chaitanya, go ahead.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, after completing this course, will you help you to face how we have to face the interviews and which in which way up we have to go? Will you help in the
Chaitanya, you're from you are from which year?
third year, sir?
Third year. So you not need to worry right now about the placements. We have a placement assurance program also here. So we'll be telling you more about this on by tomorrow when our executive will call you. So don't worry about that. If you have any queries regarding cybersecurity, then go ahead and clear your doubts. Ashutosh is there.
Someone has written, does FANG hire cybersecurity? Of course, dude. Like those are one of the very highest paying jobs. And who is Pagol? One, by the way. Hello. Can I talk to this? Yes, this people here who don't know what. Okay, your mic is not working. No issue. People here don't know what FANG is. Like it's like Facebook, Apple, all this company, Amazon, Google. I forgot what is N. Okay, so all these companies are also hiring cybersecurity. Or Netflix, yeah. These companies are like this company pays you a lot. For example, if you work in Google or Amazon in cybersecurity, it will pay you 15, 16. Okay, for that, like you need to have a very strong knowledge base. Only if you have 3 to 4 years of experience or minimum 5 years of experience in cybersecurity, then only you will have a high chance in getting into FANGs. It is not mandatory. All if you have correct knowledge, you can just hop into it now also. But if you are very new to it, and if you want to, what will you? Can you say what will? Can you say what we'll do next? I don't understand your question, Mohammed. Can you please reframe your question? Like the main problem of our society now is you only know about Facebook, Amazon, Google, and everything. There are multiple companies. Like, have you heard about Arstinium? You have never heard about Arstinium. Companies like Genpact. Okay, Genpact's side sister companies. There are ISCON companies. There are multiple companies enlisted in the Fortune 500, Fortune 100. Okay, you have never heard their name, but they are like world leading. Atos, Paladin.
Okay, guys, we'll
They
be.
are cybersecurity firm, tech security. They are leading in cybersecurity. Okay. Let me complete this. Okay, there are different companies in which you can get a very high-paying job opportunity. It is not only FANG. Understood? If you have correct knowledge, if you have correct experience, you can achieve anything. So Kapil, we can just wrap up this call now, I guess. Hello.
Yeah, Ashutosh. So just answer this last question, and we'll be winding up in 2 minutes. If you have any other questions, anyone, you can just drop your question and ask Ashutosh directly. We'll be winding up this session in 2 minutes.
How to start or which source is used to identify cybersecurity? Like first you have to know what is cybersecurity. Okay, how like the different components of it, important cybersecurity. Once you know about it, once you know the fields that cybersecurity offers and what is the work you have to do in that field, you are done. Understood? Then you will have that correct motivation to directly that will guide you through towards that. So you don't worry about that. First gain a basic foothold. First make your base strong, then you can do anything. It depends on which field you're suitable or which field you have interest. Yeah, which field you have interest in. If you are once I give you all the details, right, like then you will be, obviously some of you might be interested in this field, that field. Okay, so if you start working in that field, your career will blossom in that field. So there is nothing to worry about.
About fees and all the details tomorrow you will call, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
So Kapil, let's just wrap up this call. Okay, I just have to drop out. I have to go and attend something important.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, Ashutosh.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll just take over this session. You can leave. the meeting.
Thank you
No worries.
everyone for your time.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, Ashutosh, for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Regarding the
Hello.
payment, for regarding payment and all details tomorrow, they will call, sir. Or, anyone will call us, sir.
Yeah, Chaitanya. So basically, I'll tell you the structure of the program. So basically, it will be a 2-month program. 2-month program in which first month will be your training. The mentor will be teaching you everything from scratch till advanced level, and later on, you'll be getting a free internship from our end itself. And one of our executives will be contacting you shortly for the program tomorrow. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, guys. So it was a great session. Thank you for your valuable time. We'll meet soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.